Good morning, guys. I'm here to that way I can teach y'all to make keto coffee because unfortunately, a lot of people make it wrong, and that's the reason why they stop it. But it is healthy and it is good for you. Okay, I'm going to tell you that for a fact because I've been using it for let's see, since March. Let's count March, April, May, June, July, August. So 5 months I've been using it and I lost weight on it too. And also it helped me through the day. It doesn't look like I lost weight, but I did. I should have did a video with me before, but I didn't. So you get it now. But I will come back on once because I am going to continue on using it. And I will come back on, promise. And I do not like promise breakers. So I will be back to show y'all more. Probably, let's do 3 months from now. Okay? All right, let me make it. First thing I do is I boil my water. I boil my water in here because it takes all the dirtiness out of the water. So that's the reason why I boil my water. You don't have to put this, but this is what I put in mine because I don't do creamer or anything in my coffee. So I do put this one in here, and it is greens. It's what we're supposed to be eating is our veggies, but most of us don't. But I put just 2 scoops of this before I put my coffee. Or you can put it after you put your coffee. It doesn't matter when you put it, but I put it. That was 1. I like to put 2. Okay. And this is the keto coffee that I take. My weight that I was on whenever I joined my company, I was at 194, I believe. Yes, 194. And now I am about 179, I believe. Somewhere around there. 179 to 180, around that one. So I lost. And also whenever you do your coffee and stuff and you're really wanting to quit, like go down on your weight, exercise. That's the key. Exercise. You got to take care of yourself. You have to. There ain't no way that somebody's just going to sit around and their weight falls off. There's not. Sorry to tell you. But that one, and then I get my water. With the water, you want to pour a little bit, guys. Not too much in the beginning. Let's see. Just that little bit for now. Get your spoon. Some people has one of those whisker things, but I don't. So I get a spoon and I mix and mix until, and you want to mix it until it looks like your cream, like creamy, if you want to say. Okay. You want to keep on mixing it because you don't want to just put it in there. Believe me, trust me. When I first got this, I wasn't told how to do this. And I had to figure it out myself, how to make this coffee without it being bad. And what's sad is the people that have tried it and didn't do it the right way are just, they're too afraid to try it again because they're afraid that it's, no matter what they do, it's still going to taste the same, but it doesn't. I promise you. When you don't mix it right, you could taste all the lumpiness and all that. So that's what it's nasty. my boyfriend that I have, he was the one that tried it with me the first time, and it took him, say, 3 to 4 months. It took him to try it again for me to keep on with it and showing him that it was good. And he too said that he saw the difference in me. All right, now it's all. So you want to get it like this. Now, if I didn't do that, you would have saw a lot of lumps in there. Trust me. All right. Then you pour the remaining water in there. I didn't have enough. And I don't like my coffee hot. So I let the water sit there for a little bit anyway for it to get cooled down. Don't ask me why I don't. The only time that I would really drink hot coffee is, how do you say it? If I have a sore throat or something, that gives it good. But I just wanted to come on here and show y'all that. And that's how you make your coffee. See? There ain't no lumps or anything. Looks just like coffee. And it is good. To me, it's good. Just delicious. Now I'm going to be up and going in no time. I got to do clothes and everything, so I need to get it. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Y'all have a good day. Bye.